Jai Shri Gurudev. Okay, today onwards we will start the first UC syllabus. So first chapter. Okay, we have total 16 chapters are there. This is the first chapter. First UC mathematics sets. Okay. So let us discuss the introduction to the sets. So concept of sets is a fundamental problem in daily life. It's a fundamental part in daily life also. Okay, and it is used in every branch of mathematics. Like sequence and series. Okay, and probability. Okay, mathematical induction. Different branches are there. In relations, functions also they are used. Okay, relations and functions. In order to define the relation and the functions between the sets, we are using the sets. Okay, so later we can discuss that also. So we are using, this is a used in every branch of mathematics. Okay, set concept is used in every branch of mathematics in different probability, sequence and series, and also relations and functions, and so many other. In some other branches also we are using, in computers especially we are using the sets. Okay, in some other subjects also we are using the sets. The set theory, based on the set theory only, we are so many problems are interrelated. Okay, so many concepts are interrelated. So therefore concept of set is used in different subjects and different concepts in mathematics also. Okay, and also this set theory is developed by a German mathematician, Georg Cantor. He developed the set theory. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the set theory. Okay, this is a brief introduction about the set theory, and how we can represent the set we will discuss here. Okay, let us see next, sets and their representation. So set, let us define the set later. First, set is a well-defined collection of objects. So actually what happened is, in everyday life we speak of collection of objects of particular kind. Like we are collecting some group of people. Okay, in our daily if you come to the college means this is a set of first PUC students. In that first PUC we are telling first PUC science students, this is a group. First PUC commerce students, second PUC collection of second PUC students. Okay, so we are speaking like that set. It's a group of people. We are speak about the group of people like that. In one area people like that. Group of Kolar, all the persons in Kolar. Indian people, like a group of, we are telling now, this is the concept of set. Okay, and it is using like this set, that is their representation. Now with respect to mathematics, how can we represent? See, this is a general introduction for this one. And how can we represent? Let us take the natural number system. So it's a set of natural numbers. We will tell like that now. Now set of natural numbers are divided. So then I will represent what to be n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Like that we are representing now. N is equals to, we are representing like this. Whole numbers is equals to, W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We are representing now. See, very easy. And rational numbers, real numbers, like that, complex number, we can represent in different ways now. See, this is a representation. Group of same kind are collecting in one particular between the parentheses is called a set. Understood or not? So this is the sets representation. Here, what is the definition actually? Set means, set is a well-defined collection of objects. Tell me, set is a well-defined So So set is a well-defined collection of objects. See, already told no definition. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. What is well-defined? Let us see. My dear students, if you observe this one, means so set can be represented by using. You can denote the set by using the capital letters, English letters, N, A. So if you take like this, A is equals to A is equals to A, E, I, O, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, E. What is this, sir? This is a set of all vowels in a English alphabet. A where capital letters, A, B, C, D, capital letters like A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, and so on. Capital letters we are using now. So we are representing the set by capital letters. First concept we have to. Next, second concept. So we are representing the set. So we can represent the elements. Okay, in between the two parentheses. See, this is a parenthesis. Closed brackets. Open bracket and closed bracket. So in between. So inside of this bracket should write the elements. These are called elements or objects. Understood or not? So if you write a set of all prime ministers of India on the okay, what will write? First Jawaharlal Nehru, okay, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and so on. Manmohan Singh and Narendra Modi. Like that we can frame in a one set now. So we are using the comma. Okay, comma we are varying the two terms. These are the objects. No, one is one object, two is another object, three is another object. No. So in terms of use one object to another object vary collect confuse. It will make confusion now. That's why we are using the comma varying that objects. Okay, these you should keep it in your mind. Okay, and set is the collection of well-defined objects. First one, and second one is we can represent or denote the set by capital letters, and the inside of this set is called as the objects or elements. Objects. What are the elements? What are the objects of this set? Natural numbers means what you will tell? 1, 2, 3 and so on. Sir, you will tell. Okay, na? Like that only. So what are the whole numbers? What are the objects? We are representing that whole numbers with 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that we are telling. Okay. So inside of the set are called as objects or elements of that set. Okay, capital letters, elements. These should be keep it in your mind. Okay. So A equals to A. Now let us discuss about what is the well-defined collection. Well-defined. What is well-defined, sir? Okay. Now I will tell. See, I will tell one example. For suppose, you like cricket now. You like so many people like cricket. Okay. IPL matches are going on now. So I will tell me, my dear student, please tell me who is the best cricket player in the world. See, my dear students, already told no. IPL matches are going on. Okay. So I will ask one question for you. What is that question means? Tell me, okay, best cricket players in the world. If you tell means some students telling Sachin Tendulkar and Virendra Sehwag, Kohli, Dhoni, Pollard, like that. So if you ask myself, I am telling some other, okay, and some other student in you, if you ask me, they will tell some other, okay. It is not same now. For suppose, my opinion is best cricketer in the world is Virendra Sehwag. He is my favorite cricketer. Okay, that's why. According to some other in your PUC classmates, he is not good, sir. He will tell like that. So this is not a well defined. Okay. Let us consider the natural numbers. Natural number 1, 2, 3. If we tell myself, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. We can't change this system. If you go and ask in America, same natural numbers only. Okay. So if you go anywhere, if you answer wrong ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ, that is not a system. Okay, right person you should ask. Okay. So if you go anywhere, if you ask the natural numbers, it will be same in any case, in any area. Okay, any person if you ask. But okay, in some other case, good batsman, good bowler, best batsman, and there we can't give the correct So views are different. According to me, I will tell some. According to some other, different ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That is not a well defined. This is well defined. That's why we can tell that this is well defined ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Understood or not? So ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದು accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, accept ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay? Understood or not? Whole numbers same. For suppose I will tell another time. Okay? What is another set? I will create one set. Okay? What is the set of best books of Kannada language. Best books of world ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರೋ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನೋ ನಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅದಿಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಬೆಸ್ಟು, ಗುಡ್ಡು, ಬೆಟರು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ಲು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇವು ದರ್ಶನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದರ್ಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತು ದರ್ಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, Telugu people come means Allu Arjun, Junior NTR, like that, Chiranjeevi, they will tell like this. Balakrishna, they will tell like that. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? So this is not mismatching. So this is not a well defined set of good or best actors in the Telugu and Kannada industry ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಿಚ್ಚ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ದರ್ಶನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಫಿಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂತ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಬೆಸ್ಟು, ಗುಡ್ಡು, ಬೆಟರು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ಲು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾರ್ವಲೆಸ್ಸು, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟು, ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಥವು ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್? ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಮಾಯಿಂದ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದಿಸ್ symbol belongs to. Let us consider, see, I again want to natural number too easy agate. Natural number, let us consider the natural number 1 2 3 and so on. itara ide whole number tagoli 0 1 2 3 and so on itara ide. Okay, first suppose meaning of this one means 0 is the element belongs to what? Whole numbers. Understood or not? Kohli belongs to what? Indian cricket. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಧೋನಿ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? CSK, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆ ಥರ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 0 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? W. 1 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ W ಕೂಡ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ or not? Belongs to means ಇವಾಗ I will tell not belongs to. For suppose 0 belongs to natural number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. True or false ಇದೆ? This is false. Why? Because sir ಏನು ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. So 0 is not in natural numbers no sir. That's why what to write? 0 not belongs to natural numbers. This is a symbol not belongs. Not belongs to means what? Not belongs to means what? ಅದು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. 0 is not in natural numbers means. That is the meaning of that. Okay. Understood, my dear students? Okay. So Kohli is not belongs to South Africa cricket. Understood? He is cricketer of India. Okay. ಏನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌತ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ. ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನಾಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ belongs to not belongs. Understood the concept of belongs to not belongs to? It will comes when we are doing the problems. That's why. Okay. This is the next concept. We'll see the next concept. See, we will move to the next concept called representation. How many methods are there to represent the set? Okay na? See, here there are 2 methods of representing a set. So already set over no. What is a set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. So well-defined means accepting in always. Already told no. Yav set agutte, yav set agalla. Okay, already done all these things. So how many methods are there to represent a set? Okay, there are how many ways? There are 2 methods. One set represent madage we are giving 2 methods. The first method is roster. Another name is tabular method or form. Roster method or tabular method or roster form or tabular form. Form and method both are same. Okay. Next. Second method is set builder form. Otherwise set builder method. So these are the 2 methods. We can represent the set in 2 ways. Okay. So let us discuss the first one. Okay. How it will be seen. See, my dear students. Let us discuss the first method, roster tabular form. What is that roster form? In this form, all the elements of the set. In this form, all the elements of the set are listed. List part like that. How it will be is you have natural number 1, 2, 3. Is the list part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listed. Okay, listed now. And the elements are being separated by commas. Already told now. Being separated by commas like that. Being separated by commas and enclosed within the braces like that we are enclosed within the braces. Understand? This method is called what? Roster method or tabular method. Understand? Keep it in your mind. Okay. Numbers are listed, being separated by commas and enclosed within a braces. Or braces means practice ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಥರ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ enclosed, this is called a roster method. This is set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? Over 0, 1, 2 a equals to ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a is equals to a I going to a comma e comma I comma o comma u. These are the elements separated by commas enclosed within a braces. So this is representation. This is the method of roster form or tabular form. Artha aita? So this is the first method. So what is the next method? We will see the next method. See. So next second method. What is the second method? Already told set builder form. The word itself tells set builder form. How it will be seen? So in this form, all the elements of the set possesses a single common common property. This is very very important. Single common property. All the elements should possess the single common property. Single common property which is not possessed by any other element outside of the set. Okay. Outside set irbaga. For example, idhar helbitre you won't get anything. Okay, I will tell one example, please, my dear students. Already told, no, this one already told, no. Natural number. This is a natural number. No, this is natural numbers. Natural number system. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Already told. What is this method? This is roster method. No, last method. First method. Roster method, tabular method. Already told. Okay. So this roster method can be represented in set builder form. So set builder form ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ let us write like this. Is equals to n is equals to okay, n is equals to x such that this is a procedure. You have to write x such that okay, such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. So like that it will come. X is a natural number. Otherwise, n is equals to what? Like that you can write. How to see? Set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. See, this is a what is this? This is a common property. Set of natural numbers. Natural numbers ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ವೇ? ಸೊ set of natural numbers only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood or not? Single common property which is not possessed by any other elements outside the set. Okay, I will tell another example. What is that means? I will tell you. So a is equals to already written AEIOU. What is this? If you observe, if you know English well means you can grab the things. These are the vowels. AEIOU vowels, and remaining all English alphabets are called as a consonants. No, so AEIOU are known as vowels. Okay, so ivaga ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ A is equals to set of x set of all vowels set of all vowels in English alphabet. Understood or not? Like that you can write. So both forms are same. Here AEIOE, this is a roster form. This is also writing. This is set builder form. Understood or not? Same we are writing in different methods. One set roster form. Any set can be written in two forms. Already told. No, both are same. If you write like this means it is elements. Here in words only. It is telling in words. Understood or not? Like that. Okay. I will tell some other problems also. Some other this also. See. So you can update the knowledge. I will tell one example. See. Let us write one set card like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 4 letters. 4 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the method? This one. We can call it this method as a roster. Roster method or tabular method. First one. Numbers, elements like that. Same set. See if you observe this. These are what numbers these are? These are natural numbers. No. First suppose x such that. What's of this such that you are writing means? Such that means x you are writing. We are telling the property. ಈ x property ಏನು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇವಾಗ for suppose if we take one film no. Film ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀರೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೀರೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. ಅವನೇನು ಫೈಟಿಂಗು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು, ಅವ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಹೀರೋ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೀರೋ. ಇವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು, ಸಚ್ ದಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ how it will be explained here. See how it will be. X is a natural number. X is a ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನೇನು ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇರೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ 1 2 3 4 1 5 6 7 8 9 100 1 lakh and so on ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ what is the condition we are restricting 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 6 we are writing restriction. What is this restriction? Natural number ಆಗಬೇಕು it should be natural number at the same time that natural number x should be what between 3 and 6 ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು 3 ಇರಬಹುದು 6 ಇರಬಹುದು 3 4 5 6 ಅಂತ 3 4 5 6 if you not write this one means ನೀವು ಇದು ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ common property possessed by the elements not possessed by some other elements outside the so ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇನೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಇದೆ 7 8 9 ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಟ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to what 9 understood or not both are same see both are same ಇದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ but methods are different ದೇವರು ಒಂದೇ so names are different someone calls Govinda Venkatramana understood or not Sri Hari Narayana ಎಲ್ಲ like that two methods these are the two methods this is roster method this is set builder form understood or not so ಇವಾಗ ಈಸಿನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಎ ಈ ಥರ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ understood or not so this is the first class of sets in next classes we will discuss some other problems okay in next class I will tell the problems okay if you have any doubt my dear students if you have any doubt you can comment in this below video otherwise you can ask through phone or WhatsApp okay my dear students thank you if you like this video please share and subscribe to your friends and relatives thank you